apocalypse himself, Mr. Terence McKenna. Let's hear what we got. Yes.
If the truth can be told so that it can be understood, it will be believed. And what is the truth that we need to believe? It's that history failed, and so history is about to end. And we're going to put our foot to the metal, and we're going to fast forward 100,000 years into the past. For 100,000 years before history, people lived in harmony and love and community, united in the worship of a psychedelic goddess that ruled the planet before the dominators. For 10,000 years, they promised us utopia, and they deliver a toxic, polluted, overpopulated planet. Enough is enough. From the beginning, shamans guided society before the fall into history, and now at the end of time, the shamans emerge again to show the way into a dimension of love, sex, and intelligence. If these things are not a part of our future, what kind of a future will it be? We have to return to the Paleolithic world of natural magic through psychedelic plants, through psilocybin, which dissolves boundaries, promotes community, and ends the differences between people. It is community that has been stolen from us by the dominators. It is hope that has been taken from us by the materialists. It is anxiety that has been the gift of history, not liberation. And so now we say, back to the magical past. Let's make the future a revival of shamanism, magic, love, sex, and intelligence. Rave culture is the real new world, and it's going to carry all of us into a world of completion and caring that we have not known since before the pyramids were raised. We are the final generation. We are the people who must save the planet and depart from it into hyperspace. And the shamans show the way. The shamans show the way to hyperspace. All culture, all the dreams of all our ancestors have built to this moment, a moment when, through the use of percussive music, community, sexuality, and psychedelics, we can discover who we really are. We can take right things forth off our back and drop kick him into the abyss, because we are the people who have seen the future. This is what shamanism is. A shaman is someone who has seen the end and returns to the rest of us to show the way to a real community, a real apotheosis, worthy of all the shamans, all the people who suffered and struggled over the centuries to bring us to this moment. It is our planet. It belongs to the future, and it is for us to reclaim our privilege to make it happen, to build on it, to create it, to call it forth, to redeem history. And not a moment too soon. Not a moment too soon. If consciousness expansion is not part of the human future, what kind of future will it be? If community is not part of the human future, what kind of future will it be? If love and sexuality and sensuality are not part of the human future, what kind of future will it be? We didn't cross the ice sheet for this. We crossed the ice sheet to go to the stars, to go to the heart, to raise ourselves to the glory that we know is in us. And we have help. The planetary mind of the goddess is reaching out to us in our dreams, in our psychedelic experiences, in our orgasms. The goddess is calling us home. Hear the call. Join the march. Look into hyperspace. What I tell you is true. What I tell you is true. Go check for yourself. Experience. The primacy of experience is the centerpiece of being. Don't sell out to the media, to the newspapers. You are the center of the only universe you will ever really know. It's the truth, and if it's told so as to be understood, it will be believed. The new rave culture is the cutting edge of the last best hope for suffering humanity. Spread the word, shamanize, psychonaut, emphasize your life, take back the planet. It's yours. It's yours. These are the last minutes of human history, folks. The countdown is on. This is not a test. We're leaving this world behind for a brighter, better world that has always existed.